Hey guys, we are back with another video, and today we'll be reviewing this Ultimate Fire Truck. It's pretty fun. I like it a lot. So first you can open this. Very fun. It makes this. Here you can lift this up right here, and you can open it. And then the cool part about it is on this side you have to see this black lever. You can pull it more up. It's super high. Right here's the hose, and you can put it back in like that. Here we got this other side also. You know, over here is this crate. I'll put it back. And this shooter thing. And a thing to open up. I'll put some Paw Patrol figures in there so we can play with this. And some more Paw Patrol figures are in here. There's a little open hatch. And that will be the tour of this toy. If you guys like this toy, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we will see all of you guys next time. Goodbye. And guys, before you leave, I forgot to show you this. It has this shooter. It could shoot from here. It holds 3 bullets, and it's very fun. Okay, now you click subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see all of you guys next time. Goodbye.